Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to stabilize footage in Capcut. So let's get started. First, you want to create a new project and import the clip that you want to stabilize. Once you have your clip imported, you're gonna go ahead and click on the video right here. Then you're going to scroll through the options at the bottom and look for Stabilize. Here you have three options: minimal cropping, recommended, and most stable. It's up to you which one you want to use. Choose the one that you like best, and after that, go ahead and click on the check button at the bottom right. And you're done. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.